A savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. I'm a savage. Hey loves, welcome to my channel. I'm really excited today because I am going to be trying something new on my hair, and I'm going to be showing you what I've been doing to my skin because I've like acne problems, and I'm just going to put a few pics of the before and after. Like, I'm lighter now, and though there's still spots on my face and the black items, what do you call those, blackheads, I feel like it's way better. So I'm just gonna get through the day with you. Enjoy. And also, one thing that I want to emphasize throughout this video is that this was shot during the quarantine and I don't have any of the resources, so I'm using whatever I have. And I want to encourage you that to start whatever you want to do in your life, just start with what you have. What you have will work, and it will sort of put all things into alignment. So we're gonna jump right into it. Right, so this is for my face, and this is actually charcoal. Like, I just took it from the fire that we had the other day and sort of put it in a can, and it's used for detoxicating the face. So it sort of like kills all the bacteria, all the germs, and all of that stuff. But then, as you can see, it's not really fine. So I'm just gonna grind it until it's fine enough, just enough, so that when I finally add a little bit of water to just make it a paste, it's easy to apply on my face and there are no humps and bumps on my face. You see? But this is basically how you do it. And I'm basically using a teaspoon. Like I said, use whatever you've got to make it work. Like, simply because you don't have a lot of stuff and all the necessary equipment and all that doesn't mean that you can't start somewhere. You can always start wherever you are and use whatever you've got. Yay! Now I'm just going to add a little bit of water to create that paste. I'm going to add a little more because I think I added too much water. Alright, I think this is perfect for application on my face. So I'm just going to do it now. So like I said, it helps with detoxing the face, and I'm just going to start applying it on my face now. Like, I don't want to miss any part of my face. So it does really work in removing the blackheads. Like, I really had a lot of blackheads on my face. Okay, this could have been more finer, but well, I'm gonna work with what I have as long as you guys actually get the concept of what I'm trying to do. All right. Let us become more aware of your presence. Let us experience the depth of your goodness. Right. So this is how my face looks like, and I'm like gonna leave it for 15 minutes, and then it's gonna sort of like get dry, and it, like, I literally feel it pulling out the toxins out of my skin. So yeah, this is how your girl looks like. Hey, right. So it's not yet 15 minutes. Like, it's not yet 15 minutes. and I still feel that the detoxification is still happening. But now, as you can see, I have these on my hair. Like, I've just plaited it to ensure the growth of my hair. But now I'm gonna apply rice water, but I do not here want to actually remove these, so I'm just gonna apply right on top of it. And rice water contains vitamins B, C, and E that help for the repair of damaged hair. It helps with your scalp. So I'm just gonna kind of, really work in there and just kind of put it in there. It restores a damaged scalp. It increases the thickness of your hair, as in it becomes a lot, like a very little hair and thin hair. So that increases the content and the volume of your hair. So yes, it contains amino acids and all these things that generally help for hair growth. So you can like use it, don't overuse it, but like once or twice a month, I think. And with this charcoal on my face, you like use it twice or thrice per week. Yay! So now I'm actually gonna do it, like apply it on my hair, but it's for the first time. If you check women from China, Japan, they have very long hair, and India, they have very, very long hair, and that's what they use. So now I'm gonna remove this because it's past 15 minutes now. As you can see, it's now dry. Of course, there's this remaining part, but it's now dry. It's like it has literally sieved out all the toxins outside of my face. Right, one more thing. You're probably wondering that how on earth do I actually come up with the rice water? So you just put rice into a bowl or a container, and then you put water and let it ferment for 24 hours, because then the starch and the proteins and the vitamins come out, and then they're the ones that you're literally gonna apply on your hair. So in case you want to remove all the dirty rice, you can like add salt because it like lifts them, and then you sort of clean your rice and then you let it ferment. That's just how you do it. I hope it's as simple as it sounds, but yeah, that's basically what I did. And I closed this tin, and you can also have a spray bottle that you just use to spray, but today I want to go deep inside of the. All right, so I have washed my face, and trust me, it's a bit smoother. Like I can literally feel that my hands are kind of just flowing down. I don't know if that's a thing, but yes. But then if you check this part, like if you have this problem of, yes, exactly like this. If you've got that problem whereby you have like this milk stuff on your nose, and you just kind of want a natural facial scrub, and you don't have a scrub, this is what you can actually do. So I use a millimil, or you can use sugar, and I just create a paste with it, and I apply it on my face in a scrubbing manner. So I'm just going to show you, because it's not too rough, but it's rough enough for your face. So I'm going to show you how this works. So I literally scrub with a millimil all over my face, and there's also this part that just kind of remains with that stuff. I don't know why, but there's like that white stuff on my face, and I want to remove it because I don't like it. Sometimes even after you've bathed, it just remains there, and it's like the first thing that people see on your face instead of the time that you actually took out to bath and prepare for your date, to go to church, and then people are like looking at your face and you're wondering what the hell are they looking at. And also this part of your mouth, above and beneath. And I'm done with this one. Now I'm gonna deep condition my hair using the rice water that I prepared and let ferment for 24 hours. It doesn't smell good at all. Literally doesn't smell good at all. So I'm just gonna do that now. And I'm really trying to get to just open every pore, because it like opens all the pores so that your hair begins to grow again. Alright, so I'm done. But like I said, I do not even have a shower cap at this point in my life. So I'm just gonna tie a plastic bag on my hair to just act as a shower cap, and then I'm gonna tie it around so that I just lock in the moisture and all of the ingredients for like an hour. Let's do it! All right. This is what I look like. I think at this point I deserve to be called the queen of DIY. DIY queen. Do it yourself, baby, at no cost, okay? All right, honeys. This is Sun Kissed Me. I hope I look good. Like I said, start with whatever you have. So I just decided to kind of do it whilst my hair is braided because I don't want my hair to shrink. And I hope that's actually gonna work. And I love you so much. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this helpful, and you can check my Instagram to see my hair growth journey. It's been amazing. I also made another video on how you can have confidence in your hair to just own your crown and things like that. So thank you so much for watching. I know that God is with you. Whatever you've started, God's hand is in it. Follow your passion, follow your heart, and God will align everything that matters. And that just pushes your vision forward. He will send divine helpers and people that can help you to fulfill your vision. So thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. Thank you for subscribing. Kindly share this video with somebody, and to everybody that just is here on at this place, I just want to say thank you so much. God bless you and increase you. Bye.